suppose I better cut this so you can see what's happening. There you go. Not only is it cooked, it's beautifully juicy. It's not dried out at all. It's really, really lovely. And that is fantastic, you know, with some French fries. You can see that, absolutely wonderful. With some French fries or in a sandwich or something like that. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and after many messages and emails, some chicken, which has been breaded and breadcrumbed. Lots of people asking me how to do that. So what we've got is a nice chicken breast there. All we've done is we've flattened it out, made it nice and thin, and then we go through the process of flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and a quick fry. Beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at this then. So, chicken breast, as you can see, it's nice and flat. So what I've done with that is I just got two pieces of shrink wrap or cling film, place it in the middle, get a rolling pin and gently beat it. You can see it was that big. So it's now nice and thin and flattened, much nicer for what we're about to do. So we're going to need flour, breadcrumbs, egg. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so I've got a couple of eggs here, breadcrumbs, and I've got some plain flour there which I've seasoned. I've seasoned my one with lots of black pepper and celery salt. You can not do it, you can just keep it plain if you want, or just some salt and pepper. Okay, so we're going to start off with some flour, my seasoned flour. Let's be super generous here. Turn that over. Same on the other side here. Just make sure you get all the bits and pieces covered, any little nooks and crannies. Very, very easy. Next step. So, egg. We've got our floured chicken there. Just want to get the egg on there. Make sure it covers all the parts. And then the next stage. Okay, some breadcrumbs there. Let's take our chicken out of the egg and drop that onto the breadcrumbs. Basically, you go wet, dry, however you're going to do it. So your chicken, when you start with it, it's wet. No matter how much you try and dry it, it'll still have moisture to it. Then you add this flour, seasoned flour. Then you go wet again. And then we go dry with the breadcrumbs. And that's it, you've done that. So that's really simple, really easy process. That is ready for the cooker. Okay, so I've got my pan here. Got some oil in there. You can see how much that is, like, I don't know, maybe a centimetre or so. I'm using a sunflower oil, canola works, or, you know, corn oil works, because they sort of, you know, they've got a high kind of temperature tolerance. If you use olive oil, for example, or something like that, it burns very quickly. So, let's grab our chicken, let's place it in. And did you notice that it didn't go shh? We don't want the oil too hot because it's just gonna really burn the outside and not cook the inside. Even though it's really thin, it will cook quite quickly, but you can see we're on a nice kind of gentle fry. It's gonna be like 2 or 3 minutes aside. Let's take a look how it's looking. Beautiful. Like I say, if the oil's too hot, you're just going to blacken it and it'll be raw in the middle. That's looking pretty good to me. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's grab that out. Beautiful. Just going to put that on a bit of paper towel. See what I say, it's super easy. Because it's nice and thin, the chicken, because we flattened it, it cooks really nicely. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.